If you want to play with us, you'd have to follow our rules and forget your own. Just for today. Then tomorrow, we'll play your way. Deal?
Maybe we should just do what they say so we can play? It's just for a little bit.
But their rules aren't right, Yusuf. If I play their way, I'm not really playing my game anymore.
It's a very old bargain, boys. Long ago, the leaders of Mecca tried to buy the Prophet's peace be upon him heart. They said, "Pray to our idols for a year, and we will pray to your Allah for a year. Let's just mix them together." The Prophet, peace be upon him, didn't get angry at their offer. He just let Allah speak for him. He said, "I do not worship what you worship, and you do not worship what I worship." You see, Mahdi, you cannot mix salt water and fresh water. It ruins the drink. The Prophet chose the struggle of the truth over the easy life of a lie.
No, thank you. We're going to play our own game over here. You're welcome to join us, or we're sticking to our rules.
Yeah, our game stays the same every day. We don't need to change who we are to have fun.
That is the spirit of Al-Kafirun, Mahdi. You don't have to be mean to be firm. You just have to be you.
Have you noticed the surah repeats, "I do not worship what you worship," twice? That's to show that we are 100% sure and will never change our minds. Our Prophet, peace be upon him, said that reciting this surah is like reading 1/4 of the whole Qur'an because it protects your Tawheed, belief in one God. Imam al-Sadiq alayhi salam used to say, when you finish this surah, say, "Allah is my Lord and Islam is my religion," 3 times. It's like a victory cheer.